So you might be in a situation where your phone app is missing on your iPhone. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. Now, the main reason why the main reason this could end up happening is for one, the app is no longer on your dock. Now, if you want, you can move this dock around or move this, specific phone call application around. But if this specific application is missing, the first thing I'd recommend doing is trying to swipe through your home screen pages and seeing if the phone app is within these other pages. So swipe through. You probably will be able to find it just by swiping through here, but there's also a situation where this could be missing. So what you can do is you can swipe all the way to the side right here, and you can go ahead and swipe down, and you can look for the phone application here. This holds all of the applications you have inside of your phone. So you can either go to the P section where where you should be able to find phone right here. If not, you can also just type in at the very top right here. You can just type in phone just like so. You should be able to find the phone application and basically open it up just like this. Now, if you want, you can also drag and drop this specific application back into your home screen right here and basically be able to recover it that way. Now, if it's still missing and you can't seem to find it, you can always make your way over to your App Store. And if this application is hosted on the App Store by Apple, you should be able to re-download it. So you should be able to search it up within the App Store just like so. So you should be able to find phone. And you can see this is the phone application made by Utilities, which is Apple's company. So you can go and come here, and you should be able to reinstall this application from your App Store if for some reason it was missing in the first place. So that's pretty much how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.